What's up, guys? I got a Zoomiez unboxing or unpackaging, I guess. Got this in the mail today. Boom. Let's see. Bought this I think like 4 days ago. Wow. Oh, I'm dumb. I was using the wrong side of the knife. I was like, man, what the heck is this is really dull. I probably won't try this closed on for you guys just because I just got home and I haven't showered, so. But these are the pants. So they're black pants and with like white stitching. They look pretty cool. Boom. And then got this jacket here. Little hoodie. And these are the sleeves. Got like snake with like barbed wire. The back is just plain. Boom. And I got this shirt. Pretty cool. It's the back. I like this shirt. It's got like little like rhinestones on it and stuff. Looks like a mummy, like a mummy's face. And then I got this thermal. Boom. That's it. And I got all this in Zoomies. Like I said, I don't really plan to try this on just because I haven't showered. But if you do want to see me like put this on, like do a fit video, just let me know. If anybody wants to watch it, I'll do it. Just write in the comments if you want me to make it, I'll make it for you guys. But that's it. And I spent in total on the two shirts, jacket, and pants. I think total like 120 maybe, 120 bucks, 130, something like that.